Akala mo madali lang ing pagapaning ng hollow blocks? One wrong alignment and your whole wall could be crooked, weak, or worse, unsafe. Today we'll show you the right way to lay concrete hollow blocks, including our 5 must-check quality assurance items to ensure your wall is safe and sturdy. The first step is to prepare and mark your wall line using a theodolite or a level. Skipping the moisture, wetting your blocks before laying can cause excessive drying and cracking. An uneven mortar can cause unstable walls and poor appearance. Not using rebars can result in poor structural support and stability. Not curing the wall can result in weak bonding between the blocks and the mortar. Make sure that your layout lines are accurate, as this will serve as your guide throughout the whole construction. Next, moisten the CHBs before laying them. Before we give you our free checklist, here are our 5 must-check quality assurance items. First, check if the alignment is straight on all sides of the wall. Second, check if the mortar joints are uniform with an average thickness of 10 millimeters. Third, check if vertical and horizontal reinforcements are properly placed. Fourth, check if the wall has been watered daily during the curing period. And fifth, check if there are no cracks or other defects. This is to prevent cracks from forming due to excessive drying. Apply an even coating of mortar bed using a trowel. Place the first CHB on the corner of the foundation with the face of the block butted up against the formwork. Use a level bar on top of the block to make sure that it's level. Maintain a 10 millimeters gap between blocks for mortar application. Insert vertical rebars every 600 millimeters, or as required by your structural engineer. Clean any excess mortar from the face of the block and from the rebar. Repeat the process until you have completed the whole wall. Finally, cure the wall by misting it with water daily for at least 3 to 5 days. This will help in developing a strong bond between the CHBs and the mortar. Watch until the end, because we're giving away our full CHB laying QA checklist. It's a free download. So let's get started. This is part 2 of our construction tips video series. For this project, we're using concrete hollow blocks, or CHBs for short. You will also need a mortar mix, which is a combination of sand, cement, and water. But we highly recommend using ready-mix mortar for easier application. Other materials include a mason's line for making sure your lines are straight, a trowel for applying the mortar, a level bar, and a plumb bob for checking your alignments, and rebars for vertical reinforcement. And finally, you will also need water for moistening the blocks and for mixing your mortars. Scene 2, materials needed. Scene 3, step by step. Scene 4, common mistakes to avoid. Scene 5, our 5 must-check Q items. Scene 6, CTA, want our full CHB laying QA checklist? Download it now and build safer.